Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the input output statement available in the C programming. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic input and output statement available in the C program. That is a formatted input. First we'll see the input, formatted input. The formatted input refers to an input data that has been arranged in a particular format. The input data while entering it will be arranged in a particular format. So what is the syntax for that is scanf. This scanf is used to read the data from the user. So this is a control string. This control string will control the format of the input data. Argument 1, argument 2, argument 3n are the input data. So what is this control string? For a integer number, percentage WSD. This WS means width of the integer number. We can decide the width. How many width is there? How many digits? 3 digits or 4 digits. This D refers the integer number. That is percentage 4D. That refers 4 means we can enter the 4-digit integer data. The D refers the integer. D refers integer, that is 4 digit. For real number, that is floating point. Percentage WF, right? The F refers the floating point. Percentage 3F means 3-digit floating point number can be entered. For character string, percentage WS or percentage WC. The S refers string, C refers character. C means only one character, single character. The S refers the character string, n number of characters, right? So by using the control string, we can control the format of the input data, both in the which type of data we are entering and how many digits, right? The how many digits decided by WS, which type of data is decided by this. D means integer, F means floating point, S means character string, C means character, single character. Similarly, we have the formatted output. Formatted output also available. We'll see the formatted output. The printf statement provides the certain feature that can be effectively exploited to control the alignment and spacing of the printout on the terminal. The scanf is used to read the data. Similarly, we have printf. Printf is used to display the data on the monitor. So same control string here, we are using the same control string. Then this is the data. The control string what is available in the scanf is applicable for printf also, right? Apart from this, what we have, reading a character by getchar, GETCHAR. Similarly, writing a character. So printf, scanf is the standard input and output. Apart from that, we have some more input output formats are available. So getchar, putchar means it is a buffered function. Buffered means it is stored in a particular memory. It gets the input from the keyboard and it stored in the memory buffer temporarily until you press the enter key, right? So the getchar means get the character from the user. Putchar means display the character on the monitor. These two are buffered function. Buffered function means while entering the data, it is temporarily stored in the memory until until you press the enter key, right? So while entering the, for example, if you enter 5 characters, these 5 characters are temporarily stored in the memory. After entering all 5 characters, by pressing the enter key only, it will store in that memory. It will be stored, it will display in the monitor. So that is done by getchar and putchar. Similarly, we have gets, puts, right? Here character, getchar, putchar. What is that? Reading a string from the keyboard. Puts mean display a string, right? So gets mean it will get the strings, n number of characters from the keyboard. This is only one character. Puts means it will display the n number of characters on the monitor, right? Here this is single character, here n number of characters. And some more functions also available. We'll see that one by one. Get ch. Previously what we have, get char. This is get ch. What is get ch? Reading a single character from the keyboard. So this is also very similar to getChar. But what is the difference? It is a non-buffered function. Buffered function means temporarily stored in the memory. But this is not a buffered function. That means the character data read by this function is directly assigned to the variable rather than it goes to the memory buffer, right? So getChar and getCH both are read the single data, but getChar is the buffered function storing temporarily in the memory, but this is not a buffered function, non-buffered function. It is directly assigned to the variable. It will not go to any memory. Character data is directly assigned to the variable without need to press the enter key, right? No need to press the enter key, directly it will be assigned, right? Next one is the getCHE, right? Here getCH, here getCHE is there. What is that? It is all are same as getCH, previous function, except that it is echoed function. That is, it means whenever type the character data from the keyboard, it will be visible on the screen, right? One by one character if you enter, that will be visible. In previous cases, after entering all the data only, the data will be visible in the keyboard, in the monitor. But here it will be visible one by one. While entering the data one by one, it will be visible on the screen. In previous cases, while entering all the data, after pressing the enter key only, it will display, it will visible. But here it will be visible. Similarly, so these are all the input and output formats are available. We'll see for some more control strings. We already discussed integer, real and character. So some more subdivisions are available. Now we'll see that. What are the further classification, further details of the control string. So the format specifier for IO function. Majorly there are 4 types available. This is for further more divisions. For integer it is %d. For integer we are saying it is %d. Double means %lf. Float means %f. Character means %c. Right? So D for integer, F for float, C for character, LF means double. Then commonly used C data types and their format specifier. For further classifications are available. Integer %d, character %c, float %f, double %lf. Similarly, long integer %li, long integer %lli, unsigned long integer %lu, unsigned long integer %llu, right? So this L refers the long, U refers the unsigned, right? D refers integer, C refers character, F refers float, L refers long, right? So the LL means long. There some more subdivisions are available. Double %lf, right? Short integer %hd, H refers short integer. Unsigned integer %u. Normal integer means %d, unsigned integer means %u. Then signed character %c, unsigned character that also %c. Long double %lf, right? We already discussed long and double separately. Long double means %lf. So in this video we discussed the formatted input and output. The very standard formatted input and output is scanf and printf. In that we are using the control string. So these are all the details about the control string. Apart from that we have getChar, putChar, gets, puts, getCH, getCHE. Right? So these are all differ by the buffered function, and also whether it is directly stored or indirectly stored, and also whether it is visible. These are all the difference between this function. And also we discuss the furthermore the control structures, control strings. In detail we discuss the control string. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.